Hey guys, in this video we will see how to add a splash screen onto our app. So I'll just show you the example. So here is my app. So when I'm opening the app, we got my logo there, and then I'm just redirected to my main activity. So we'll see how we can do that in our Android app. So let's just get started. So I'll create a new project, file, new project. I'll create an empty activity and then I'll name it as splash YT. Finish it. Wait until the Gradle is built. Okay, so the Gradle is built. Here we have the activity main XML and then the activity main class. So basically we can do two ways. One is we can add an activity and then on load we will just call that activity, and then after some amount of time we can redirect it to our main activity. Else you can add theme and then we will just show the theme until our main activity is loading, and then when the main activity is loaded we will just change our theme from our custom theme to our normal theme. So while doing the main activity, the user will be looking at your logo for a long time, so which is not really a good method to do that. So we will do with our themes. So theme basically works until your main activity is loaded, only then our splash screen will be shown. After that, when your main activity is getting loaded, it will come back to our normal theme. For that I have to go to my resources, and inside my values I will add the color. So I'll just add a color and then I'll name it as orange. Now we have the color here and I have to add my logo here. So I'll go to my drawable, right click, new, vector asset. You need to have the SVG file. Okay, if you have the PNG, just convert it to SVG. You can do it online as well. So just make sure you have the SVG file of your logo. I'll just choose my logo here. Okay, here is my logo. I'll just take that and then division logo, and then I'll resize it to 240 dp. Okay, and then I'll just finish it. Next and finish. So inside my drawable I will have an SVG file. Okay, so here is the part data and this is my logo here. I need to create one more thing. So I'll go new drawable resource file and I'll just name it as splash screen and click OK. And I am just going to change this from selector to layer list, and then I will add I will add two layers. One will be my background and then another will be my logo. So I will just add item. I'll add my background here, so I'll go item and inside my drawable I'll just take the background which is orange. I'll close this and then add another item. This is also drawable, so this will be my logo here. Okay, so we have our logo done here. Now we need to create our custom theme for our splash screen. I'll go to my themes and inside my themes I'll create new style. So style, and I'll name it as splash screen, and the parent will be no action bar with a day, night and no action bar. I'll close this, and inside my themes I need to add my logo, right? So for that I will have item name will be my window background, and then I have to add the drawable splash screen. Okay, here we have the logo, and then I need to add status bar color. So the status bar color will be orange. Okay, now we have our splash screen style also done. Now we need to set our splash screen inside our main manifest. So inside manifest, here you can see the themes, it is set to splash YT. So we will just change it to splash screen. So when we open, we will get our splash screen as first, and then in our main activity, when we are opening the main activity, we will set the theme here. So we'll set theme to normal one. So r.style.theme underscore splash YT. So this is my theme. Now let's run this and see how it is. Okay, now you can see this here. yeah, here it is coming somewhat different. So for that we have to go to our XML file here, and then we have to add the gravity to center, right? And then when we click the run button, you can see it will be arranged in center, and it will be, so you can see this here, splash YT, and we have it properly done. And then as soon as our main activity is loaded, it will change the theme and come back to the normal theme. So that's all about in this video. Thank you.